a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this unit, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Julia Hair. Shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, I want to go ahead and say that they did send me 24 inches because I've been forgot and I ain't even on that page right now, okay? So the unit that I am rocking is their Malaysian curly headband wig, human hair glueless headband scarf wig for women, Julia Jerry curl human hair wig with ice headband. Child, why is the ice headband? I don't know why they say ice headband. Oh, maybe this. Maybe this is the ice headband. Okay, you guys know I don't typically wear those, but they are really, really cute. Okay, so I don't see a lot of information about this unit. This unit is on the AliExpress website, so I want to throw that out there so you guys know. It says brand name Ally Julia. The origin is CN. The material grade is Remy hair, and the texture is Jerry curl. Now it does have on there on the site, it says Malaysian curly headband wig, and then it has Jerry curly. So the texture is Jerry curly, and it is, to me, it definitely seems like it's more Malaysian hair than any sort of hair, because it's just a different vibe with this particular Jerry curly unit, in my opinion. Now, I did not apply any sort of product to this unit. What you guys saw me do to this wig is what I did to this wig, girl, okay? Okay, so with this wig did come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. As you guys can see, this is a headband wig, and when it comes to headband wigs, I sort of feel like they are one size fits all, honey, okay? In my opinion, they are one size fits all, because I feel like you can make it work whether your head is on the larger side or the smaller side, because it not only has the adjustable straps, but it also has the elastic band in the back. So yeah, because it comes with both the adjustable straps and the elastic band, I feel like it's one size fits all. I feel like anybody can make these units work. That's just in my humble opinion, honey. I ain't nobody's expert, okay? I have an average size head. Most units do fit me pretty decently. So that's purely me speculating, but in my opinion, they are one size fits all. Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I have experienced some shedding. It's like not crazy, but I do want to throw it out there so you guys will know. Like I have experienced some shedding with this wig, but as far as tangling goes, there's no tangling whatsoever straight out of the packaging, but there is some shedding. It's nothing, like I said, it's nothing to write home about, but I do want to throw it out there so you can't say, I ain't tell you, honey, because I done told you, girl. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, as as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am really feeling this unit. I think it is really full. Usually when I get a Jerry curly unit, it's not so full, so it makes me think that maybe it's because it's supposed to be a Malaysian curly unit versus, you know, it being Brazilian, because this is like really, really full. I love that. I love how big it is. And I just feel like it gives me a different sort of vibe when it comes to my headband wigs, because I know headband wigs can get very, very boring at a certain point, because there's only so much you can do with a headband wig. But I really love headband wigs, and I love them because they're just very convenient. Okay, even with me, you know, having so many wigs and me selling wigs, I always keep a headband wig with me, girl. Okay, I keep me a headband wig because I just love the headband units. Like I said, they're just very, very, very convenient. And sometimes you just need a unit that can be cute, and you can throw it on and get at this house, honey. Okay, so that's why I really do love the headband wigs. And I think I keep looking over there at myself because I really want to do, because it's so big, I really want to do a half up, half down style and just go full-fledged Diana Ross on y'all. Okay, I don't know if Diana Ross wear her hair half up, half down, but you know, big hair don't care. But yeah, I am really, really feeling the wig. I love the texture. I love everything about it. I love how big it is. Now, if you don't want your hair to be super big like I am wearing this unit, you can wet it and you can apply product and gel and all of that good stuff. But I was definitely going more so for the big look with this wig, because I just love how big the hair is. And I don't think I've had a headband wig that was this long, this big. You know what I mean? I've had some that were full and big, but they weren't this long. So I guess that's maybe why I'm feeling it so much. But yeah, I am definitely feeling this unit. And the fact that it's curly, it definitely made it even more convenient, because I feel like with a straight one or a body wave one, that you have to put in a little bit more effort. Even though, you know, a headband wig is very convenient, when it's a body wave, you may have to curl it every now and then or do something extra to it. But with this unit, I literally just threw her on, ran my fingers through her, and keep it pushing, honey. And that's what I really like about this unit. So yeah, I am really feeling it. Let me know down below if you guys are feeling it on me. Do you think it's a look? Do you think it's a vibe? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Do you think it's a look? Do you think it's a vibe? Let me know down below in the comments. I am truly interested in your thoughts and opinions. And if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You'll never feel the way